He closed his empty restaurant. His life savings were gone. He was 62 years old. He slept in his old car. 1,000 people told him no every single day. Was his life completely over? No. His real story was just beginning. Meet Walter. Walter lives in the United States. He is 62 years old. This story is inspired by true events. Walter has worked very hard his entire life. He owned a small, busy restaurant next to a road. He loved to cook for travelers. But one day, the city built a new, fast highway. The cars stopped driving past his restaurant. In one single week, Walter lost everything. The bank closed his restaurant. He lost his daily income. He lost his life savings. Walter was 62. In the United States, this is the age when people stop working. It is the time to sit in a comfortable chair and rest. The government sent him a very small check for his retirement. It was barely enough money to buy food. Walter looked at his small check. He looked in the mirror. His hair was white. His face was tired. Most people would accept defeat. They would say, "I am too old. It is over." But Walter refused to stop. He had no money, but he had one very special thing left. He had a secret recipe for cooking chicken. Walter believed in his recipe. He knew it was delicious. He packed his cooking pots into his old, noisy car. He left his home. He started driving across the massive United States. His plan was very simple. He wanted to find a restaurant owner to partner with him. He wanted to cook his chicken, sell it, and share the money. Walter drove into a new city. He walked into a restaurant. He showed the owner his recipe. The owner looked at Walter's white hair and his old suit. The owner laughed. "You are an old man," the owner said. "Your chicken is nothing special. No, thank you." Walter walked out. He went to the next restaurant. They said no. He went to the next. They said no. Walter drove from city to city. He had no money for hotels. At night, he parked his old car in dark parking lots. He slept in the back seat. It was very cold. In the morning, he woke up, washed his face, and walked into another restaurant. He cooked his chicken for the owners. They ate the food, but they still said no. Months passed. Walter received 500 rejections, then 800 rejections. People told him he was crazy. They told him to go home and act his age. Every time he heard the word no, his heart felt heavy. But Walter did not let the rejections break him. He viewed them differently. Walter realized a powerful secret about success. A rejection is not a failure. A rejection is just a toll on the road. It is the price you have to pay to get to the yes. He reached 900 rejections, then 1,000. 1,000 times the world told him he was too old and his idea was bad. But he kept driving. One day, Walter walked into a restaurant. It was rejection number 1009. He cooked his chicken. The restaurant owner took a bite. The owner stopped, and he smiled. "This is the best chicken I have ever tasted," the owner said. "I will partner with you." The answer is yes. That single yes changed history. Walter's secret recipe became famous. He built a massive global empire of restaurants. His face became one of the most famous faces in the world. He became a billionaire when he was an old man. Walter proved that age is just a number, and he proved that 1,000 painful rejections mean absolutely nothing when you finally find your one beautiful yes. My friends, how old are you today? Are you telling yourself that it is too late to learn English, too late to change your career, too late to build your dream? Stop looking at your age. Age is never a reason to stop, and rejection is never a reason to quit. Have the courage to keep driving. If people say no to your ideas, or if you fail an exam 10 times, do not cry. You are simply paying the price for your success. keep knocking on the doors. Your yes is waiting for you. Thank you for watching the 1,000 Rejections on Meadow Tails Hub. Keep driving today.